kidding. I got a whole pile of these 1x1. They used to be hangers for big oriental rugs at this department store I cleaned out one time. But it's all a lot of good 1x1 steel. So I'm gonna cut it up and make something cool for the S-10. Alright, it's a couple days later, this is what I come up with. Is that what it is? Or what it's gonna be? All the ends and stuff, all the pieces. I actually ran out of this 1x1, and I had to luckily I had some bed frame that just happened to be the right height, which was 1 inch, so I welded that in, which ended up being pretty good because it's really strong. So that's cool. That's one of the bed frames. I always find these at the dump. Always. They're always sitting there on the edge, so I always grab them. A lot of stuff around here is made out of bed angle. Look at the window. Got tape all over it. It fell off the track and my girlfriend kept cranking it and it just completely fell in, so gotta pull that apart and fix it. I ran out of steel, so I gotta either scrounge up some more or go to the local steel yard and get some. Look at the 50 shades of rust this thing's getting from driving it in the salt. Well, that's why I don't drive my other trucks in it. Sacrificial S-10. It's getting like a whole new coating. Alright, this is what I got so far. Got a door. This is a side door off a handicap van that I scrapped a long time ago, probably 3-4 years ago. It was an E350 with a Power Stroke in it. I pulled the engine in it and I scrapped it. I took the doors off and stuff, and the windows, which that window is going to go there for the in-cab. That'll be the view through, you know, from the cab into the box or the box into the cab, whatever. This is the door. I cut it down. And I take this off and attach it to the bottom of the door. I still haven't done that yet, but I left a gap for it. Up here, yeah, I guess I'll show you from the other side. I started putting good carriage bolts in, bought a whole bunch. I'm gonna take out these tech screws and put them all into carriage bolts. I already did the bottom. See, this doesn't look good, so I'm gonna take it off and it'll smooth out, and then I'll grind them down before I put the fiberglass exterior on. Yeah, some interesting cuts. Alright, I'm going to leave it off here. This is as far as I got so far. I started adding in some braces. I'm going to add in one more and then add another, and then probably maybe one more or a cross brace or something, so it ties it all together. Add these for support, here for support. I'm going to put another one here. I'm trying not to make it too heavy. At least I can get it in by hand right now, but I'm going to make jacks for it too. I'm going to make my own jacks. Here's the door. Gonna make this latch and add some more supports, put the air conditioner right here. Got a lot of plans. Hopefully they all come together here with it. I think it'll be pretty sweet. It fits the truck nice. I wanted to make it fit the truck and not stick way out, so you gotta put different mirrors on and stuff, and I didn't want to make it so it was a big problem. I want to make it so it fits, and hopefully it's aerodynamic and not like driving a piece of plywood down the road. Big wind sail. But let me know what you guys think of the new camper edition for the S-10. And at the time I'm making this video, I have 377 subscribers. Thank you guys, that's awesome. Hopefully I'll gain a few more with this one, and I got some plans to do some traveling with this truck. And I want to do swap meets and car shows and do all kinds of stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section, or give this video a like or a dislike, or tell me if you don't like it, that's fine too. But alright guys, thanks for watching till part 9 of the S-10. Thank you, and I'll see you then.